How one smoothie bowl changed my life. Chapter 1. After college, I did what everyone does. I got a job. I worked for a fashion company and wore every hat. You name it, I did it. I wasn't doing anything for myself. I was working late hours. I was eating fast food, and it was taking a toll on my body. Chapter 2. One day when I was driving home from work, I brushed through my hair and felt a bald spot. That was the last straw. It was clear that the stress was taking a toll on my body. I remember scrolling through Instagram, looking at all these wellness influencers. They just look so happy, and I really wanted that. That was what triggered me to start making a healthy breakfast every morning. The first smoothie bowl I made would change my life. Chapter 3. I posted a bowl and I got really good feedback. It started with one bowl. I would do it every single day, 365 days a year, and it just kind of spiraled into a whole lifestyle. No matter how busy or tired I was actually excited to wake up and make something new in the morning. Hearing feedback from people saying that they tried a bowl or they started drinking this green juice because they saw a recipe I had made, I was really proud of myself when I saw that. It was at that time I decided to fully commit myself to health and wellness. Exercise didn't become a priority until I started eating well and finding the energy to want to work on my strength. When I started out, I couldn't even do one push-up, but every day I would practice and eventually it got easier. My advice for someone starting on their health and wellness journey is start small and find something that you really like. It's a journey that I hope will never end.